Okay, you can have it now, sweetie boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! It's my turn now! Time's up! It's science time! Welcome to science class! Put 2 drops into the cups and mix together. Make sure the cups are full of water. All I have to do is to make sure the science is working. When you get something back for the science experiment, nothing happens. Okay, D, you go first. Very good. You have done the good experiment. Okay, White Square, your turn. Uh-oh, I think something's wrong with this cup. No, the cup was rumbling. Take cover! Huh?
And then everyone died. The end.
Which answer should be in the next episode? Comment the answers below to see what's the next episode in this series. Have fun!